in McCleary, Washington here, this is how we make a fire in a fireplace. You get a shot. This is a shot. Get a can of snooze.
That's yucky.
It's a shit snooze. You pack it. As you're packing
Wait,
chew,
whoa, what about people that don't know how to pack chew?
Okay. Loosen up your hand. Make it loose. And you do the same thing with the can. So, anyway, pack your chew. Get your chew. Put it in your lip. Doesn't need to be a fat chew, just needs to be a chew. Okay? Spit. Make sure you burn. Okay.
Do you want me to hold that while you light it?
Burn it down.
Oh, right. Heads up. Oh, shit. Is it going?
And this is how we make a fire in McCleary, Washington.
There we go. It's all warm in here now.
There we go. That was an instructional video on how to make a fire. That will be it.